Hello, in this video tutorial we are going to build a simple Pac-Man game. We set up a field for our Pac-Man game, so let's go ahead and load that file. Click on File, Open, and here is our Pac-Man demo file. Open it. Here we have several sprites. This will be a food, a simple maze, a Pac-Man, a monster, and a super Pac-Man that the Pac-Man will become after eating the food. Let's go ahead and set some properties. Let's set the speed for Pac-Man. Yep, pretty fast. And for our monster, let's give very little speed. Now, for the Super Pac-Man shouldn't be visible, so we should unclick is visible and apply. Now let's go ahead and add behavior for the game. For monster, let's say auto, move toward, add, and say Pac-Man. So the enemy will always hunt Pac-Man. Let's also say collide with Pac-Man. And say destroy. And then we should select Pac-Man so that the enemy, when collide with Pac-Man, would destroy Pac-Man. And let's say collide with a brick and bounce, so that when the enemy will hit the brick, it will bounce. Now let's go ahead and add behavior for our Pac-Man. We should be able to move our Pac-Man by the key, so let's go ahead and say key, press on up and say move up, press on down, say move down. Same for left key and right key. Now let's say collide with food. We should spawn, add a venom action and select Super Pac-Man. That when Pac-Man will reach the food, it will become a Super Pac-Man. And let's say collision with food, destroy, and select food. So our Pac-Man will eat the ball. Now let's go ahead and add behavior to the Super Pac-Man. Collide with monster. We should destroy the monster. Destroy monster. So if Pac-Man becomes Super Pac-Man, it can destroy the monster. And let's say auto, stick on, and select Pac-Man. So this image will stick to our Pac-Man. So the game is ready. Let's go ahead and try to play it. Start game. Oops. Enemy at us. Let's stop the game and start again. Okay, here we become a Super Pac-Man, so we are not afraid of enemy anymore. Let's go ahead and stop it and add winning and losing condition. So for winning, let's say if Super Pac-Man collides with monster and destroys, we should win. And for losing, if our Pac-Man will collide. Oops, sorry. If our monster will collide with Pac-Man and destroy it, we'll lose. Let's go ahead and play it. So we won the game. Thank you for your attention.